Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. Today I have many pattern tools for you. So in part design, we have we already had in the past like pattern tools, and I have been adding a few of them. And so so let me show you what it's about. And also there are like a new feature for you, which is the suppression feature. So let's get into it. um, First, let's start by the suppression feature. So let's make a linear pattern, and we can set a few more occurrences. And I think you already see what's going on here. We have like those new kind of small buttons, and when you click it, you suppress an instance. And so this was a feature request that was asked many times. And so if we put many more like this, and you wanted to suppress maybe the corner, now you click them and they are suppressed, and you can click back to put them back. So that's very, very nice. And yeah, it's working on all the kind of patterns. So yeah, so that's the first thing for today, this suppression feature. But that's not all. Let's see what else I have for you. So you see, we have now more tools in the pattern toolbar. So we have like the symmetry and linear; those were already here. And then we also have circular pattern. So we already had polar pattern, and now we also have circular pattern, which is a kind of pattern which we already have in draft workbench, for example. And basically it lets you create like concentric structures. So it's basically the same functionality as in draft, but for the part design workbench. And you see, you still have this suppression feature, which is also working for this type of circular pattern. Okay, so this is the first type of pattern that we are adding to part design. Actually, we are basically adding all the missing type of patterns that we have in draft but not in part design. And so we have like circular pattern, and then we have path pattern, and we have point patterns. So those are the three new types of patterns. So let me show you the path one. Then you select the feature you want, and then you click the tool, and then you have to select the path. So it's let's use this one. And then you have instances along the path, right? So the functionality is pretty much the same as the draft tool, but you also have like the suppression feature, which is still working here as well. And yeah, very nice. You have reverse path, so that's okay, that's nice. And align to path, which is basically changing a little bit the way instances are around. You see, it's like turning around the arcs. So, but basically it's the same behavior as the draft tools, right? We are trying to keep the same behavior here. uh yeah, so that's very nice. And the last one is the point, the point pattern. Okay, and so basically you also select a sketch, and in the sketch, on every point of the sketch, you get an instance. So here it's the sketch does not have, well, it has points at the edge ends, but if you change that, for example, we can add a few more points, da 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 da, da like this maybe. And then if you do the point, you will get at every point you get an instance, and you can still very nice suppress features. So yeah, this one is simpler, so I think it's about it for the part design pattern tools. Let me think if I forgot anything, but no, I don't think so. Uh, yeah, so all of those new tools are already available in AutoCAD, um, which is, for those who don't know yet, a fork of FreeCAD which is built on top of FreeCAD. And the good news is that there is already a PR to FreeCAD with all this new stuff. But the PR is very big, so I don't know when it will get merged because it may take some time for the reviewer to review it. But it's opened, and so you can try it out either in AutoCAD. And if you like what I'm doing, please consider subscribing to AutoCAD to help me going on. And else you can also try it in FreeCAD when it will merge in maybe in a few months. So that's about it for today. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.